Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These are So as the title says, it is a makeup remover wipe, basically. This package comes with 25 pre-moistened towelettes. It says ultra soft, and it says that it's a refill pack. I believe you can get like a tub of these. And then this is like a refill, so when you run out, you can throw these into the other tub. It's like a plastic tub that you have. I don't have that. I kind of just continue to buy the refill pack. I don't know, it's just easier, and I'll show you in a moment like the packaging when you open it. They stay moist, they don't dry out or anything in here, so it's not totally necessary to like move them to the plastic tub. If you wanted to, that might make things easier as far as like opening it when you want to use it, or like the packet or the product coming out, but I don't really think it's super necessary. But anyway, it is like a little bag thing. It comes like, if you see any other wipes, like baby wipes or whatever, it comes in a package like that. This is a little bit smaller, it's like a square package. Go ahead and turn it around. And so you can see what it says on the back. It says gentle ultra soft cloths offer you superior cleansing and makeup removal at your fingertips. Then it has your instructions gently and effectively. Just more about the product. It says that it gently and effectively dissolves all traces of dirt, oil, and makeup in seconds. Superior cleansing technology is so effective, it easily removes even waterproof mascara, leaves skin thoroughly clean with no heavy residue, so there's no need to rinse. Use daily for clean, fresh, makeup-free skin in one easy step. And then at the bottom here, you've got your ingredients listed. Gentle enough to use around sensitive eye area, even for contact lens wearers, which I just think that's really smart to put that on, because sometimes like I wear contacts, and sometimes even if I like rub my eye even a little bit, my contact moves, and my eyes just become much more sensitive when I have my contacts in, and I'm much more aware of when I'm like touching the area around my eye. So it's really nice that it says this, that it just lets me know that it's like not gonna be super irritating if I have my contacts in and I'm using this around my eye area. It says ophthalmologist tested, dermatologist tested, allergy tested, alcohol free. I think that alcohol free is really like key to these wipes, and probably one of the reasons why I love them the most, because there are a lot of makeup wipes that when you use them, your face burns. Like, at least for me, like my face burns for like, I mean, the burn doesn't last forever, but the burn feeling does last for maybe 10 to 15 seconds after I use them, and it's really annoying. And I think it's the alcohol in the towelette, because this does not have alcohol in it, and it does not happen. I don't get any kind of burning sensation at all when I use them, and that's probably the thing I love most about these and why I continue to use them. And then you have your directions here. It says gently wipe face with towelette, removing dirt and all traces of face and eye makeup. There's no need to rinse. Dispose of the towelette in trash receptacle. Do not flush. After removing towelette, reseal, refill pack. If stored in a vanity case, store secure lid. So the vanity case would be like what I was telling you, like a plastic tub that you would put these in if you didn't want to use this, but this seals back up really nicely. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and open this up, and it doesn't feel sticky like at all, just so you know, but it really does seal them up, really seals this package up really nicely. Just make sure to smooth it over, and it is sealed. It is not opening at all, like it's crazy. So I'll go ahead and open it, and I'll take one out to show you. I'm going to use it. So it's a nice decent size. So you can see it's not big enough to cover your entire face, but yeah, it's a nice decent size. It doesn't smell. It has a little bit of a perfumey smell, but it's a really nice smell. It's not super like a lot of other facial cleansing products that don't really have like a great smell. This has a little bit of a perfumey smell, which I really like. I think most Neutrogena products do. So I'm just gonna slide that right back in there if I can. Let's see. Maybe. But yeah, it just makes my face feel really, really clean. It doesn't feel, after I use this, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face anymore, which is really nice because then I don't feel the need to have to like rinse with water afterwards. I do usually wash my face after using this, but there are some nights where I'm like just super lazy and I just want to take my makeup off and go to bed, so I'll just use this, and I don't necessarily feel the need to like rinse it with water or wash my face afterwards because it doesn't leave any kind of residue. I hate smelling it because it just smells so good. So this package right here comes with 25 and I use one a day, so it lasts almost an entire month, which is pretty good. So yeah, so I highly recommend this makeup remover if for no other reason other than it doesn't make your face burn. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it.